Hello and welcome to Microsoft Excel for Data Confidence, proudly delivered by SoftClue Academy. Excel remains one of the most valuable workplace skills across virtually every industry. Whether you're managing data, producing reports, analyzing business performance, or making informed decisions, Excel is a tool that employers expect professionals to use confidently. In this course, you'll learn how to move beyond basic spreadsheets and develop practical skills that help you work smarter and more efficiently with data. We'll start by exploring Excel fundamentals, including workbook navigation, data entry, formatting, and spreadsheet organization. You'll then learn how to use formulas and functions to automate calculations, analyze information, and reduce manual work. As your confidence grows, you'll master powerful features such as lookups, data cleaning techniques, sorting and filtering, pivot tables, pivot charts, and professional dashboard creation. You'll also discover how to transform raw data into meaningful insights that support business decisions and improve productivity. Throughout the course, you'll work through practical examples and real-world scenarios designed to build the skills employers are looking for. By the end of this course, you'll be able to confidently organize data, perform analysis, create reports, build dashboards, and communicate insights using Microsoft Excel. Whether you're a student, job seeker, business professional, entrepreneur, or career changer, this course will help you develop the confidence and practical experience needed to succeed in today's data-driven workplace. Thank you for choosing SoftClue Academy. Let's begin your journey to becoming confident and effective with Microsoft Excel.